Filipino style. And so today's the big training day. Here we go. Here's the rice. Hello, rice. There it is. It's got a little measuring cup in here. And this looks like a 1 cup.
Yeah, that's 1 cup.
So we're gonna put it in here. And I think we want to put 2 cups. Use 2 cups.
Mm-hmm.
So it's another cup. Put it in there. Cover that back up so the mice don't get it.
Yes.
And then we're gonna rinse it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So put water in there. Doesn't matter how much.
Just sure, like this.
My hands to stir it. Sorry, just double check my. Hold on.
Okay.
I gotta wash my hands.
Okay, wash your hands first.
Just gonna double check that they're clean. Okay, now I'm gonna stir it.
I think you need to add more water when you're washing it.
Okay. Add more water.
You can do it here.
I'm doing it down there.
Stir.
Stir it.
And then it's ready to throw. That's the first one.
Where do I put it?
Throw it.
Throw
Throw
it
the
where?
water.
Throw the water out. Get the water out.
Yeah.
And keep the rice in there.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how you do it.
It's enough.
It's enough.
Yeah, and then rinse again. Add water. And then throw it in the
Throw the
water.
water again. This time I'll do it this way so you can see it better. It's my strainer.
Okay, that's enough. And then now, add water.
Throw it again. How's that?
Okay, so you need to flatten it. You need to do like this. But the rice, it should be all down.
Alright. It's fine. Still don't think it's enough water.
Yeah, that's why you need to measure it.
Measure the water?
Measure the rice first.
I
Use
did.
your finger.
I did measure.
Okay, dip down. Okay, can you feel how
How much rice?
rice? Okay. Okay, so now
1 knuckle.
okay, so now don't dip. So now you are going to measure starting on the top of the solid, the rice. Don't. Okay, is it the same, or the water is not enough?
Water's not enough then.
Okay, so you need to add.
So it's got to be the same.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotcha.
Okay, you need to flatten it again.
It's flattened.
Okay.
It's about the same.
Okay. So now you need to wipe around, make it dry. So this is the first time that Joe's doing this. So we'll see.
It'll probably come out great.
Okay, and on the bottom part. Okay. So now use the rice cooker. And this is his first time also to use a rice cooker. Okay, close it. Okay, and then power it. Click the power, 1. And then click white rice.
I'll beat you like white on rice.
Okay, so that's it. So you need to wait for 45 minutes.
Oh.
Okay, let's see. What do you think about your rice?
Wasn't too bad. I think it's gonna work out fine.
Well, we'll see. Okay, we'll see. Because if it's not good, you're gonna eat it all.
Well, probably if there wasn't enough water, it'd be like dry or something.
I didn't measure. I don't want to measure it because I trust you. So
Okay,
do
yeah.
it yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
All right then.
So let's wait. After 45 minutes.
All right, I'm gonna stand here for 45 minutes.
No.
Okay, I'm back, and since this is my wife's supper tonight, she's gonna have rice with sardines. King's Oscar sardines. The best. We open this up. Okay. Peel that out of the way. And then go ahead and open it up. Trying to figure out the best way to peel it open. Hang on to it. Kind of wiggle it at the end there. Oops. Throw that out. It's kind of messy. And then, so there's that. So, strong. You're not gonna get me to have one.
He doesn't like the smell.
Yeah, so are we gonna toss them in?
No, just put it on top. Just
Put-
like just to reheat it.
Oh, so we're gonna open this up. Ooh, it's just about done. So
Oh, you did it right. Perfecto.
yeah. So go ahead and
No, just put it on top.
put it on top. Put the thing on top like
Yes,
this,
just like that.
and then close it.
Yeah. Because now it's 5 minutes
Yeah.
left. So when it's
So-
0, it's ready to eat.
Yeah. So that's it. When it's 0, it's ready to eat, and that's 5 minutes. So I think we're about set.
So how do you feel about preparing
See you in
mine?
5 minutes.
How do you feel about preparing it? Do you think you can handle it next time without?
Yeah, but
Telling you?
the question is, why would I have to?
Because sometimes I'm busy.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay? I just want you to make the rice.
Yeah, it's nice to know how to make the rice. So if you ever ask me again, I can do it. It's really no problem.
Okay, then you say bye-bye now.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
You forgot to say something. Subscribe.
Subscribe to our channels.
Like and leave a comment.
Like and leave comments. Okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.